small mistakes that could make visitors think that your business is a scam. And first impressions matter, and online, they happen in seconds. The last thing you want is for visitors to land on your website and immediately think, is this business even legit? And unfortunately, a few small mistakes can send huge red flags that make potential customers hesitate or worse, leave. If your website looks like it hasn't been touched in years, it screams unreliable. Visitors expect modern, functional websites. If they see broken links or an outdated design, they'll assume your business is neglected as well. Next, social proof matters, and no testimonials or fake-looking reviews make people question your credibility. Customers want authentic experiences with real people. Then if they can't find them, they'll go elsewhere. Then take some time to reflect on your refund and return policy. If it's missing, buried, or vague, people will assume the worst. Because if a business is consistent in its products or services, they make their policies crystal clear. And let's talk about visuals. Low quality images or obvious stock photos can be a trust killer. Customers can spot fake imagery a mile away, and when they do, it makes your brand come off as generic or even dishonest. Finally, don't underestimate the power of clear, professional writing. If you have spelling and grammar mistakes on your website, they make your business look sloppy at best and like a scam at worst. The good news, these mistakes are easy to fix, and once you do, you'll instantly build more trust, increase engagement, and boost conversions. We want to be sure that your website is sending the right message. If you want your website to build trust and credibility, you need to be sure that it looks, feels, and functions like a legitimate business. Let's talk about how to fix these common issues that may be costing you customers. First, refresh your website design. If your site hasn't been updated in years, it will feel abandoned and customers notice. The best practice is to update your site design every 3 to 5 years to keep up with modern user expectations. Next, social proof is everything. Generic or missing reviews makes visitors skeptical. Instead, use real, verified testimonials with customer names, photos, and business names. When people see others vouching for your business, they're far more likely to trust you. You want another quick win? Use trust badges and certifications. Displaying SSL security badges, Better Business Bureau accreditation, money-back guarantees, and industry awards signals to visitors that your business is reputable and safe to engage with. And here's a big one. Ditch the generic stock photos. People can spot a staged stock image from a mile away. Instead, use real photos of your team, your business, and your products to make your brand feel authentic and reliable. And last but not least, let's talk about your refund or return policy. Make it crystal clear with a dedicated page in your footer so that there's no confusion. A transparent policy reassures customers and increases trust in your brand. By making these simple yet powerful changes, you'll instantly elevate your website's credibility, keeping visitors engaged and far more likely to convert. Let's make sure your website works for you and not against you. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you are struggling to drive traffic and turn visitors into paying customers, well, you're not alone. But the good news is that we have you covered. We put together some special step-by-step marketing checklists that are designed to help you attract more visitors, boost conversions, and grow your business without the guesswork. These are not generic tips or fluff. They're proven, actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, optimize your website, or run high-converting ad campaigns, our checklists lay it out for you. And the best part is they're free. Join our free membership today and get instant access to our marketing tactics so that you can start using them right now. Visit timberwolfadvertising.com/free membership and start transforming your marketing right now. My name is Justin Kuntz, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising. It has been a pleasure to talk with you today, and I look forward to helping you grow your business.